Hey guys, so we have our Toyota Hilux, and in this video we want to explain to you how to easily replace the air filter for our engine of this vehicle. So we're going to start out by opening our driver door, and then on the side here we're going to find a couple of levers. One of them is for the gas cap, so that's all we know, and then here the other one, that's for the hood. We're going to pull on that, and then we should hear like a loud noise coming from the front, from the engine. So this indicates everything is ready. Here we can pull on this little lever here, right above the Toyota symbol. Here, this is how that looks like. Then we can lift up the hood, and then we have here this long pole here right in the front. We can pull this out, and then the end of it, the top of it, that goes into that hole here on the left side. Just put it right in there, and it will hold up the hood. Then we have here the engine on the left side. We have here this big plastic box with that rubber hose coming out of it. That's the air filter box. That's closed by these 4 metal clips. We're just going to push those forward. 4 of those we have, and then we can lift up the cover of the housing, and then right in there is the old air filter. So this is the dirty one. We're going to pull that out. It's very easy, so we don't use any tools for this. This is super easy to do, very quickly to be done, like in less than 5 minutes you can finish this job. Just pull out the old filter, and then we're going to make sure we have the correct filter here that we purchased. We're going to compare the two, the new one and the old one, and we pull it out of the packaging. You see both have the same size, same dimension. They also have the same rubber lip on the bottom end here to seal everything off. So then before we install the new filter, I'm going to make sure the air filter box here is nicely clean. You see there's a whole bunch of dust in here, maybe even a little bit of dirt and debris. We're going to make sure we take everything out. Just wipe it out easily, quickly here. And once we have done that, then we can already install our new filter. It's going to slide that in there into the bottom part of the housing, and then we have this rubber lip going all around the filter. Make sure this sits nicely on the outside of that filter box. You see here, everything should be aligned nicely. Just wiggle it around a little bit, making sure that it sits correctly. And once we have done that, then we can already put the cover back on. So here we also make sure that it sits correctly right on that rubber lip. And then we can already close the 4 metal clips here already. So I just make sure again that really it sits correctly, and then we're going to close those 4 clips, 2 on the right side, 2 on the left side. Make sure you don't forget the one behind that big rubber hose here that goes to the engine. Make sure you close this one as well. And that was already it. So now we can already close our hood here. So we're going to hold up the hood, and then we're going to put this pole right back into the original position here. Make sure you clip that in there, and then when we want to close the hood, just going to drop it from about like a foot or like 20 centimeters, making sure that it really clicks in position and doesn't open up again. Okay, yeah, this was already it for the video. Hope you found the information helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, please leave a message below.